Welcome to our English Flow podcast channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I am Mark.
And I am Anna. We are very happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very delicious topic. We are going to talk about food.
Specifically, we are talking about grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping is when you go to the store to buy food for your house.
Everyone has to do it, but supermarkets in English-speaking countries can be very big.
Yes, they are huge. There are thousands of items. It can be confusing.
So today, we will teach you the words you need to find what you want.
We will talk about the different sections of the store. We will talk about fruits, vegetables, and meat.
And we will teach you how to pay at the checkout.
Let's start at the beginning. When you walk into the store, you need something to carry your food.
If you are buying a lot of things, you need a shopping cart.
A cart. This is the big metal wagon with wheels. You push it in front of you.
In the UK, they often call it a trolley, but in the US, we say cart. If you are only buying a few things, you do not need a cart. You can take a basket.
A basket is smaller. You carry it in your hand.
So step 1, choose a cart or a basket.
Now we walk into the store. The store is divided into rows. We call these aisles.
Aisle. This word is spelled A-I-S-L-E, but the S is silent. We say aisle.
You walk down the aisle to find your food.
Usually, the first section in the supermarket is the produce section.
Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
This is the healthiest part of the store. You will see apples, bananas, carrots, and lettuce.
Here, you usually pick the specific fruit you want.
We call this picking loose fruit. It is not in a bag.
If you buy loose fruit, you might need to weigh it.
To weigh means to check how heavy it is. You put the fruit on a scale.
A scale is a machine that tells you the weight.
Sometimes the price is per pound or per kilogram.
For example, bananas might be 50 cents per pound.
So you put your bananas on the scale, you print a sticker, and you put the sticker on the bag.
But be careful. Some fruit is already in a bag, like a bag of apples or a bag of potatoes.
That has a fixed price. You do not need to weigh it.
Let's move to the next delicious section, the bakery.
The bakery is where they bake fresh bread. It smells amazing.
Here you can buy a loaf of bread.
A loaf. That is the whole shape of the bread. L-O-A-F.
If you want pieces of bread for sandwiches, you need sliced bread.
Slices are the thin pieces.
You can also buy bagels, muffins, and cookies in the bakery.
Next, let's go to the dairy section.
Dairy means food made from milk.
Here you will find milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter.
Here you usually find eggs here too. Even though eggs are not dairy, they are always in the same fridge.
Speaking of milk, you need to check the date.
Yes, this is very important. Every bottle of milk has an expiration date.
It might say best by or sell by, followed by a date.
You must check this. Do not buy milk if the date is old. It will taste bad.
We say the milk is sour or spoiled.
So always look at the date on dairy products.
Let's review the 3 sections we talked about so far.
First, the produce section for fruits and vegetables.
Second, the bakery for bread and cookies.
Third, the dairy section for milk and cheese.
And remember the word aisle. The rows in the store are called aisles.
In the next part, we are going to talk about the meat section and the frozen food section.
We will also talk about canned food like soup and beans.
And we will learn how to ask for help if you cannot find something.
So keep your shopping cart ready and join us for part 2.
Welcome back to the supermarket. We still have a lot of shopping to do.
Yes, our cart is only half full. Let's move to the meat section.
This section is usually at the back of the store.
Here you can buy chicken, beef, and pork.
Sometimes there is a person standing behind a counter. We call this person the butcher.
The butcher cuts the meat. You can talk to them.
You can say, "I would like 2 chicken breasts, please."
Or, I would like 1 pound of ground beef.
Ground beef is the meat we use for hamburgers. It is chopped into very small pieces.
Most of the time, you do not need to talk to the butcher. The meat is already wrapped in plastic.
Yes, it is on styrofoam trays wrapped in clear plastic. You just pick the package you want.
Near the meat is usually the seafood section.
Seafood means fish, shrimp, and crab. Anything that lives in the ocean.
Fish is very healthy. I love salmon.
Me too. Now let's go to the coldest part of the store, the frozen food section.
Brr, it is always cold in this aisle because of the freezers.
A freezer is like a fridge, but much colder. It keeps food frozen like ice.
Here, you can buy ice cream. That is my favorite.
You can also buy frozen vegetables, like frozen peas or corn.
And frozen pizza. This is great for a quick dinner.
The good thing about frozen food is that it lasts a long time. It does not spoil quickly.
Exactly. Now let's walk down the middle aisles. This is where the dry goods are.
Dry goods are things that do not need a fridge, like rice, pasta, and cereal.
We need to learn the names of the containers. How is the food packaged?
First, we have a box. Usually cereal comes in a cardboard box.
Pasta also comes in a box, like a box of spaghetti.
Next, we have a can. A can is made of metal.
You buy soup or beans in a can. We call it canned food.
Then we have a jar. A jar is made of glass.
Usually jams, sauces, and peanut butter come in a jar.
So you might say, "I need a jar of tomato sauce and a box of pasta."
Exactly. And finally, we have a bag.
Like a bag of chips or a bag of rice.
Mark, sometimes supermarkets are very big and I get lost.
It happens to me too. I cannot find what I want.
What should we do if we cannot find an item?
We need to ask an employee. An employee is a person who works at the store.
They usually wear a uniform or a name tag.
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
Or simply, what aisle is the sugar in?
Let's practice that. I am the employee. Ask me a question.
Excuse me, sir, where is the ketchup?
The ketchup is in aisle 5 next to the mustard.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
It is very simple. Just ask, where is?
Sometimes they might say, "We are out of stock."
Out of stock. That means they have 0 left. They sold all of it.
That is sad news, but usually they have everything.
Mark, I think we have everything on our list.
We have produce, bread, milk, meat, and dry goods.
So now we need to pay for our food.
Yes, we need to go to the checkout.
In part 3, we will talk about the checkout process. It can be stressful.
The cashier will ask you questions like paper or plastic.
And do you have a loyalty card?
We will explain what all of these questions mean.
And we will talk about how to pay with cash or card.
So push your heavy cart to the front of the store and let's go to the checkout in the next part. Here we are at the front of the store. We are ready to pay.
We are standing in line. We call this the checkout line.
When it is your turn, you need to put your food on the belt.
This moving black table is called the conveyor belt. It moves your food to the cashier.
But wait, Anna, there is another person buying food in front of us.
Oh, you are right. We need to separate our food from their food.
We use a divider. This is a small plastic stick. You put it on the belt between the orders.
That is very important so the cashier does not scan your food on the stranger's bill.
Now the cashier starts scanning. Beep, beep, beep.
They are scanning the barcode on the package. This tells the computer the price.
While they are scanning, they will ask you some questions.
The first question is usually about bags.
In the past, they asked paper or plastic.
Paper bags are brown and thick. Plastic bags are thin and usually white or blue.
But today, many stores do not give free bags. You have to pay for them.
So the cashier might ask, "Do you need bags?"
If you say, "Yes, please," they will charge you maybe 10 cents per bag.
Many people bring their own bags from home. We call these reusable bags.
They are made of cloth and they are strong.
So you can say, "No thanks, I have my own bags."
The next question is about membership.
The cashier will ask, "Do you have a loyalty card?"
Or, do you have a rewards card?
This is a special card from the supermarket. If you use it, you get discounts.
If you have one, you say, "Yes, here it is," and give it to them.
Or sometimes you type your phone number into a small screen.
If you do not have one, just say, "No, I don't."
Mark, sometimes I have coupons.
A coupon is a small piece of paper that saves you money, like $1 off.
You should give your coupons to the cashier before you pay.
Okay, the cashier has scanned everything. Now they tell you the total price.
Your total is $54.20.
Now you must pay. You can use cash or card.
Cash means bills and coins.
But most people use a credit card or debit card.
The cashier might point to a small machine. This is the card reader.
There are 3 ways to use your card on this machine.
First is insert. You put the card inside the machine. We do this for cards with a chip.
Second is swipe. You slide the card down the side. We do this for the magnetic stripe.
Third is tap. This is the easiest. You just touch your card to the screen. Beep. It is done.
We call that contactless payment.
Let's practice a full conversation with the cashier. I will be the cashier this time.
Okay, I am the customer. I am the customer. I am putting my food on the belt.
Hello, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did. Thanks.
Do you have a loyalty card with us?
No, I don't.
Okay, do you need any bags today?
No, thanks. I brought my own.
Great. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, your total comes to $32.50.
I will pay with card.
Go ahead and insert your card when you are ready.
Okay, it says approved.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
That was perfect, Mark. You answered all the questions correctly.
Notice the first question, did you find everything okay?
This is just polite small talk. You just say, "Yes, thanks." You do not need to tell a long story.
And at the end, I asked for the receipt.
The receipt is the paper record of what you bought. It is good to check it.
Sometimes the machine makes a mistake. Maybe they charged you for 5 apples, but you only bought 4.
So check your receipt before you leave the store.
There is one more way to pay that is becoming very popular.
Are you talking about self-checkout?
Yes, self-checkout is a machine where you scan the food yourself. There is no cashier.
This is good if you are in a hurry or if you only have a few items.
But it can be difficult if you have a lot of vegetables without barcodes.
Yes, you have to search for the name of the vegetable on the screen. It takes time.
In part 4, we will talk about self-checkout a little more.
And we will give you a summary of all the food vocabulary we learned today.
We will also give you a homework challenge for your next trip to the supermarket.
So get your reusable bags ready and join us for the final part.
We are almost finished with our shopping trip.
We talked about self-checkout briefly in the last part. Let's explain how it works.
At the self-checkout, you stand in front of a screen. You are the cashier.
First, you press Start on the screen.
Then you take your item, look for the barcode, and scan it across the red light.
You will hear a beep. That means the machine knows the item.
If you have fruit like an apple, there is no barcode.
You have to press the button that says Look Up Item or Produce.
Then you type the name, apple, or sometimes you type a number.
There is a sticker on the fruit with a 4-digit number. This is the PLU code.
You type the number, put the apple on the scale, and the machine calculates the price.
It sounds complicated, but after you do it once, it is very easy.
Just listen to the voice from the machine. It will tell you what to do.
It usually says place item in the bagging area.
The bagging area is the silver shelf where you put your bags. You must put the item there before you scan the next one.
If you have a problem, the machine will stop. A light will flash.
Then a real employee will come to help you. Just wait for them.
Okay, let's take a deep breath. We survived the supermarket.
Let's review all the important words we learned today. This is a big list.
First, we learned about the equipment, the shopping cart, and the basket.
Then we walked through the store sections.
The produce section for fruits and vegetables.
The bakery for bread.
The dairy section for milk and cheese. Remember to check the expiration date.
The meat and seafood section.
And the frozen food section for ice cream and pizza.
We also learned about containers.
A can of soup, a box of cereal, a jar of jam, and a bag of chips.
We learned how to ask for help. Excuse me, where is the rice?
And finally, we learned about the checkout.
You put your food on the conveyor belt. You use a divider to separate your food.
The cashier asks, do you have a loyalty card? And do you need bags?
And you pay with cash or card.
Wow, that is a lot of vocabulary for one day.
Yes, but these are words you can use every week. Everyone needs to eat.
Now we have a challenge for you.
Next time you go to the supermarket, look at the signs above the aisles.
Even if you are not in an English country, try to translate them in your head.
Look at the milk. Say to yourself, this is dairy. Look at the bread. Say to yourself, this is the bakery.
If you are in an English country, try to use the self-checkout.
Listen to the English voice of the machine. Try to understand the instructions.
Or if you are brave, go to a real cashier.
When they ask, did you find everything okay? Look them in the eye and say, yes, thank you.
It is a small conversation, but it is great practice.
We hope you feel more confident about grocery shopping now.
You can listen to this episode again before you go to the store. It will help you remember.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons.
Have a great day and happy shopping.
Bye, everyone.